sweet banana balls or sweet banana bonda. Today we are going to make sweet banana bonda or sweet banana balls. First, pour in gur or jaggery, which has been liquefied by heating and made into a liquid and filtered to remove all impurities into the mixer. This is gur which has been liquefied. Put in banana pieces. By taking and peeling 2 bananas and cutting it into small pieces and put it into the jaggery in the mix. This is a very easy to make Diwali sweet recipe. It can be made by any beginner. Put in salt to taste. Put in some cardamom powder. Now all this has to be mixed properly in the mixie. Now the mixture has been finely ground. This can be used along with refined wheat flour to make the sweet banana balls or sweet banana bonda. Take 200 grams of wheat flour and pour in the mixed banana gur or jaggery mixture and mix so that it becomes a paste. Mix thoroughly. Now we have made the flour into a nice dough. Now apply some oil to the hands and make balls, small balls from this mixture. Now make this into perfect balls. After applying oil to the hand. We have shaped the flour and the mashed banana and jaggery mixture into balls. Now these balls can be fried. Heat the pan and pour in 50 ml of oil. When the oil is heated up, Put in the banana balls. And fry by turning from side to side for 5 to 10 minutes. Fry by turning from side to side. Now it can be taken off the pan and put in the plate. These balls can also be baked after adding yeast or baking soda, but we are showing just the frying method. This is the final sweet banana balls or sweet banana bonda, a Diwali sweet recipe and also a beginner's recipe.